This is the 4-6-8. You breathe in through the nose for 4 seconds. You hold for 6, and you release for 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Welcome to the 10-10 Effect Reset. You've been giving your energy to deadlines, meetings, and people all week. This is your moment to receive. Your me time. Let go. Close your eyes and let your body arrive. Release. Notice the chair or mat beneath you. Relax. Notice your feet touching the ground. Feel the weight of your body supported. Safe. You don't have to do anything right now. Just breathe. Let go. Let go. Imagine you're walking through a quiet corridor lined with glass. Each step takes you further away from noise and closer to calm. You open a door into a sunlit garden. The air is fresh and light is soft. You sit under a tree and feel the breeze move across your skin. Every breath you take releases the tension you've been carrying. Release it right now. Now imagine that breeze entering your chest, clearing space for clarity, focus, and renewal. You are safe. Breathe. You are steady. You are enough. You are complete. Release. I want you to start your breathing. Inhale and exhale. We are going to use the 4-2-6 method. You inhale for 4 seconds. You hold for 2. And you release for 6 seconds. Receive. You repeat this 6 times. Relax. As you do that, let go. You put your hand on your belly. We are going to begin now. Put your hand on your belly. Healing. Inhale through the nose. Let go. Let go. Let go. Exhale through your mouth. Joy, joy, joy. Let your shoulders drop. Peace. That's it. Soften your face. Joy. just giving yourself a full system reboot.